नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहिए। माई सेल्फ JVM मिस्टर केलनागर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटनरी साइंस एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Student, I will prepare this lecture class for BSc Agriculture Honors 6M. My subject post harvest management and value addition of fruit and vegetables. Student, we will discuss about harvesting and field handling. Define the discuss harvesting. The goals of harvesting are to gather a commodity from the field at the proper level of maturity with the minimum of damage and loss as rapidly as possible and the minimum cost. This is achieved through hand harvesting in most fruits, vegetable and flower crops. These are methods. First methods, hand harvesting. Hand harvesting are discussed. Hand harvesting has a number of advantages or machine harvest. People can be accurately determine product quality, allowing accurate selection of mature product. This is particularly important for crops that have a wide range of maturity and need to be advantaged several times during the season. Properly trained work can pick and handle and product with a minimum of damage. Many fresh market products have a short shelf life if they are crushed or damaged during harvest and handling. The rate of harvest can easily be increased by hiring more workers. Hand harvest also require minimum of capital investment. The main problem with hand harvesting is labor management. Labor supply is problem for grower who cannot offer a long employment seasons. Labor strikes during the harvest period can be costly in spite of these problems. Quality is so important to marketing fresh market commodities successful that hand harvest remains the dominant method of harvest of most fruits and vegetables. And second, mechanical harvest. Mechanical harvest is currently used for fresh market crops that are roots, tubers or rhizomes, and for nut crops. Vegetables that are grown below grounds, that is radish, potato, garlic, carrots, beets and others, are always harvested only once, and the soil can be used the cushions. The product from machines causes mechanical injury. Tree nut and the pick nut are protected by this cell and easily withstand mechanical handling. A number of products destined for processing such as tomato, wine grapes, beans, pea, prunes, peach sands. Some leaf greens vegetables are machine harvest because harvest damage does not significantly affect the quality of processed product. This is often because the product is processed quickly after harvest. These crops have also been amenable to new product technique and breeding that allow the crops to be better suited to mechanical harvest. There are main advantages of mechanical harvest equipment is that machines can often harvest at high rates. Tree nut harvest, for example, attaching and shaking mechanism to the tree and remove most of nuts in few seconds. The nuts are either caught and fabric covers frame and picked up from ground by other machines. This allows an orchard to be harvested very quickly compared to hand shaking and poles. There are there are discussed post harvest handlings. First, free cooling. Free cooling means free cooling promote cooling after harvest. It's important for most of fruits and vegetables because they might deteriorate as much in one house at 32 degrees centigrades in additional or remote fields heat from commodity. Free cooling also reduce bruising damage from vibration during transit. Cooling requirement for a crops vary with air temperature during the harvesting stage of maturity and nature of crops. Seconds, washing, cleaning and priming. They are discussed before fresh fruit and vegetable are marketable. Various amount of cleaning are necessary, which typically involve the removal of soils, dust, adhering debris, insects and spray residues. Chlorine in fresh water is often used as disinfectant to wash the commodity. Some fungicides like diphenyl amine 0.1 to 0.25% and ethoxyquin 0.2 to 0.5% might be used as post-harvest dip to control the disorders. And third, discuss are sorting, grading and sizing. The sorting are done by hand to remove the fruits which are unsuitable and to market or storage due to damage by insect damage and mechanical injury. The remainder product is separated into two or more grades on the base of surface color, shape or visible defects. For example, in apple packing house in India, 3 grades. Example, extra fancy and standard might be packed for marketing. Curing, fourth discuss. Curing is an effective operation to reduce the water loss during storage from hardy vegetables, that is onion, lime, garlic, sweet potato and other tropical root vegetables. The curing method employed for root crops are entirely different than from the bulbous crops like onions and garlic. The curing of roots and tuber crops develop periderms, overcut, broken or skinned surface on restoration, etc. Vaccine, fifth point, vaccine are discussed. Quality retention is major consideration is modern press fruit market system. Wax are ester of high fatty acids with monohydric alcohols and hydrocarbons and some free fatty acids, but coating applied to the surface of fruits is commonly called waxes. 6. Packaging. Proper and scientific packaging of fresh fruits vegetables reduce the wastage of commodity by protecting them from mechanical damage. Our 7th point, the number of storage techniques, that is ground storage, ambient storage, refrigerated storage, air cooling storage, zero energy storage, modified atmosphere storage and high baric storage and controlled atmosphere storage are being used for fruits and vegetables depend upon the nature and commodity and storage period intended. Thank you.